Are we on? Okay. Hi guys. No one's behind the camera. I just did that. Alright, but what I'm going to be doing is making a dollhouse out of an Amazon box. The Amazon box is next to me, and what you will need is scissors, glue stick, the flaps that you cut off. I already cut them, sorry. You'll have to just like cut them and then measure them. So yeah. And then construction paper. And of course the bags. And accessories to like glue on. I don't know, mine's gonna look horrible, but I can't wait. Post a video response of your dollhouse tour. And after I'm done, I'm going to put it all together and make a tour. Can't wait to see your kids' dollhouses, whatever. Okay, so what we're going to do is, yeah, first you cut all around. I attempted to glue the sides together, but I failed. Failed miserably. Wow, now it sticks. Ugh, weak. I started making it without you guys, sorry. So what I'm going to do, just like take the construction paper, I'm using glue, you don't have to use it, and just like put it against the box, and like hold it over, like keeping, so I folded it basically in half except for that, so yeah, like that, right, and then cut all the way across. I'm a sloppy cutter, so this might not end up straight. Oh my god, I'm so sorry. Oh god, I've cut on the line again. Oh, sorry. Thinking about something that I did today in Morgan Hill at the Aquatic Center. I became dive famous. On the high dive, I kept doing front flips, back flips, and I became famous. Not really famous, but like this really like popular girl from her school like came up to me and said, "That's a good job. You're like cool, and I'd like you to be my friend." I told her, "Sorry, I'm talking. It's just hard for me to not." So yeah, back to what we were doing, and just put it into the box. My mom might come in and tripped, but please ignore that. I'll just pause it if she comes in. putting the glue on. Try not to run out. If you barely have any like me. Right now my mom's doing laundry. Hopefully she doesn't come in. She might come in for my clothes, but whatever, I'm tiny, okay? Don't blame me. Wait, one second. Oh yeah, I got this one. Just like rub it so it's not uneven. Fold it backward and get the glue and fix the air bubble in it. Okay, sorry. Whatever. Got it on perfectly. Now I'm just gonna need like a strip for this one. Ah, sticky. So we'll just do that and keep my pins straight. Baby paper. If you want. Sorry, I just like songs. There we go. Perfect. Now what I'm going to do is apply the glue to a piece of paper so I don't overdo it. Yeah. You know I'm going to apply it to this, to the box. Keep it closer to me, I wish. Dang it. Uneven. So spread it with paper. Oh, that's already good enough. Alright. Wait, hold on. Treasure! There you go. Better. Easier. Perfect green line. Am I right? You'll need all the extra paper except for these little strips of paper. So for the next one, you have to measure again. Oh man. Oh. Sorry that I'm roaring. It's annoying. Yes, I'm only getting the flaps first because those are the hardest. The rest will be easiest. Yeah, the flappies. So this will cover about part of it. We'll need another piece of green paper. Hopefully I have some more. Okay. Alright, so just look up. Okay. What I'm gonna do is measure it. Just see where it stops. There we go. think I'm gonna run out of glue. Oh man, it's been 10 minutes. I'm sorry, I'm wasting your time. I could like cut it down to 3 minutes, but oh well, I'm gonna pause it until I'm done with this flap. Hopefully, there might be a part 2 of this. Alright, I'm not gonna pause it. It'll just it'll take longer than usually takes. Alright, much better. Okay. Mine, oh mine, treasure. Sorry. Oh man, cut. What? Quick. There we go. Just like a plastic glue. Like that. You might have to overlap. If you just like put them side to side, it won't work. I want it to look like just one strip of paper. So that's why I overlap. So you want to overlap. You could underlap too, whatever that means. Or I think it means to glue under. But that'd make it still look like 2 pieces. Want to all look like 1 piece. My parents are going away this weekend, so that means fun. Oh, my hands are all sticky. Alright, so done with this 2 strips. Okay, there's time for 2 more. I'm gonna do part 2. Okay, bye. I'm just gonna pause it if I can make it through. First, I'm going to make these strips on camera. Actually, okay, you know what? I'm not going to make part 2. It's much easier to do one video, so you guys don't get lost. God bless the broken road that led me straight to you. Every love street led me to where you are. Others who broke my heart, just what you know is true. God bless the broken road that led me straight to you. Tuxedo. No pencils or anything are needed unless you want to draw the designs. I might draw a few designs, like want some. I'll do a video tour of it after I'm all done with it. My room might even be clean, maybe. Oh man, I'm running out of. Dang it, I ran out of glue. Poop. I'm just gonna use the rest of this and then try. I'm out of glue. Dang it. Ugh. Oh my god. Ah, yes. String glue. Yes. I got luck. I'm lucky. Ew. So goldenish orange. Oh well. It'll still work because it's extreme glue. Dang it! No! No! My glue stick! Ah! Do you know what just happened? My glue stick dropped first onto my floor. Dang it. At least it made it. Hi, sorry. I had to pause it for a while. My stepdad came in. Feel sorry for me. My dad, I'm in California and my dad's all the way in Missouri. How far is that? Just feel sorry for me. Oh. I miss him. I love him. And where's my picture of him? Okay, I guess I don't love him enough to keep track of the picture of him. Okay, whatever. Ouch. Plate? Plate that came from toast. I meant toast. Alright, gonna put the box in front of me so you guys could see it more. So you could see I got almost three and 2 inches bent. No, 2. Two and a foot. Okay, let's just say that. I'm sorry I can't really see when I'm touching. That's why I lost my glue a couple of times. I went to the aquatic center, yeah, as I said earlier, but I lost some of my sight. They put so much chlorine in their water that I can't see. So yeah, back to the box. So I still need to get almost 2 inches or something towards there. Oh man, this is too short. Maybe I like a square. All the way over there for my extreme glue. I think you could see the redness in my eyes. See, I think. Whatever. Ouch. Yeah, keep the strips. You'll be using them after you're done with all the walls. I only have one more wall to go after this. Woohoo! Be thankful this doesn't have to go on forever. I mean, if I were you, I'd be mad that I have to watch a video for a half an hour or something. Yeah, I'm going to be watching this after I'm done with the video. and then designing it and all that is going to be in this video too. I'm even going to get some of my doll boxes that I've kept. In my sister's doll box. I'm going to keep for this project. You'll see why I'm keeping it. There we go. Just one more side now. Exactly one more side. Like this. What's left of my paper. Okay. My scissors. There they are. Almost done. I'm sorry guys, keeping you guys waiting, watching what I'm doing. Yeah. It's really hard to do this, so don't blame me, that's taking me a while. It's easier to just like put glue on the box, but I'm trying it here now. That stuck my finger now. Not holding on to it. See my thumb? It stuck to my finger. Oh man, seriously. Alright. Okay, let me put this on and then I have to get off the screen for a while. To get my, hopefully it didn't land face first. No, too far. Rascal Flash. Alright. I'll be right back. Oh man, where did it go? Oh, there it is. Okay, I'm lucky. Didn't land face first. I might not do the decorations, but I'll tell you on the way. You could either staple them. The stapling would be hard for some people. And, well, the reason why I'm not stapling is because it's too hard for me, yes. Wait. Does it overlap? But it overlaps. Right there. So, what I'm going to recommend is either staples or glue. It could be liquid glue, hot glue, or anything that'll make it stick on. Anything that'll keep it holding. Anything. That's what I'm basically saying. Anything. Alright, there we go. Done with all the sides. So I'm going to stop the video so you guys aren't watching for a half an hour. Okay. Lindsay Lohan. Okay. There, I got this, and there's like an extra little blob to get. Blah 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 blah. after I get this little piece on, I'll have time to pause the video. Sorry so much to keep you guys waiting. I could have just told you that. It's the beginning of the video. I'm so sorry. If you comment bad things, I don't care. Okay, bye. Peace, YouTube.